Hey there, welcome back. Joel Hipschman from Lutron. Today we're going to be talking about how to replace an electronic drive unit or EDU in your battery-powered Serena Open Roll or Triathlon Select roller shade. Before you get started, you'll want to make sure you have these tools and components: a small slot drive screwdriver, a medium slot drive screwdriver, a small rubber mallet, disposable gloves, the cardboard ring that is provided in your replacement kit, and of course, the EDU replacement itself. Once you verify you have everything, remove the shade from its brackets and remove the battery tray. Refer to the link below if you need instructions on how to proceed with that. With the shade removed, lay it on a clean, level surface to prepare for the drive replacement. Next, remove the drive bracket and carefully unroll the fabric from the shade tube while loosely wrapping it around the hem bar until the shade tube is exposed. Then, insert the tip of the small slot drive screwdriver between the end of the shade tube and the EDU sleeve and carefully twist and pry to separate the EDU from the tube. Then, use the medium screwdriver to pry farther out if necessary. Once you've pried it out far enough so you can grasp the flange of the EDU, slide it completely out of the shade tube. Set this EDU aside to be either returned or discarded as instructed by your Lutron representative. Now, insert the replacement EDU partially into the shade tube. Align the splines on the bearing collar with the grooves in the shade tube and insert as far as possible using only the force of your hand. Then, position the cardboard ring provided with the replacement drive and place it around the EDU bearing sleeve. Using your mallet, gently tap around the cardboard ring until the bearing sleeve is fully seated against the end of the shade tube. Now, carefully re-roll the fabric onto the shade tube, making sure it is wrapped evenly on both ends and is free of any wrinkles. You've successfully completed the replacement of your electronic drive unit in your Serena Open Roll or Triathlon Select roller shade and can reinstall the shade back into the mounting brackets in the window. Then, test and verify proper operation. Refer to the link below for detailed instructions on how to reinstall the roller shade, set limits, reprogram, and reintegrate with your controls or system. And as always, if you have any questions, you can reach out to Lutron for further assistance. Thank you for being a loyal Lutron customer, and we look forward to hearing any feedback you may have on the EDU replacement process. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.